Page 311, number 42, asks us to find the annual percentage yield, or APY, of an investment, knowing the interest rate is 6% and it is compounded quarterly. Our formula for APY does not require you to know the initial investment amount, even though it is given in the problem. So we are just going to use 1 plus R over K raised to the K power minus 1. So we're going to fill in our values that we have. So 1 plus 0.06 over 4 raised to the 4th power minus 1. And we'll just substitute those values into our calculator, and we get 0.0614. So we have an annual percentage yield of 6.14%.